All right, traders, welcome to Forex Way, the way to trade in Forex. Today I'm just trying to give y'all like a brief example of just my ideal of support and resistance, and just how I trade it, how I see the market, and a little bit of liquidity, and that just like um kind of like is the foundation or like the catalyst to like my trade setups, or just I don't know, just give me like a great idea of just what I'm trying to look for in the market. But pretty much support and resistance is just like the foundation and the ceiling, pretty much. The bottom would be the foundation, and the top would be the ceiling. And like you can use. I mean, in the past, I heard like BBs stand for buy bottoms. Have a little tongue trick with that. I don't really have anything for like a top to like remember. I just know like when it comes to the top, you know, typically when you reach a ceiling, it comes down. So that is like a simple way just to understand like how the market moves. And they go like up and down. It'd be like you'll have like long on trade, well, long impulse legs. Then you might have some short ones, and then it just kind of repeats. One thing about price when you do like just start to really trade, price just repeats back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. And your job as a trader is just to pretty much understand where the market is more likely to lead. Why is it? And just being able to try to capitalize off that. And like you also see like the market just trying to go in like ranges. So like you can see from right here, it was like a small little range. And typically in those movements, you'll see like you'll have like some entries or just little clues that will give you just further information. And sometimes price might break out. You know, sometimes price might just break out, and that gives you further confirmation. When price break out of a range or break out of a two levels that you see is respecting, that's more confirmation just to do just more to trade or where to trade or the price is more likely to go. But I'm gonna just go through the chart and we can just kind of like map out levels together. Let me take my little indicators off. I was supposed to do that. Oops. Oh, that's already off. That's already off. All right. So I'm just pretty much map out levels that I just pretty much already see, and we just go from there. So this is a nice support. Support is buy. Support is buy. And nice resistance. Support and resistance, guys. Support and resistance. Support you buy, resistance you sell. Support is bottom, resistance is ceiling. So resistance and ceiling kind of like go hand in hand a little bit. But as you can see in this quick example, price is pretty much just doing what I was saying. Like you have a smaller, a little nice decent impulse, smaller retracement, came back down, came back down to the bottom to buy, and then you see prices kind of like lagging. But we're just gonna keep just seeing just how price. Okay, and you can also see like the liquidity levels too. You can see these lows right here that price will most likely want to return to. Let's see these highs. These are some nice highs right here. Like these nice highs. And then if I draw the trend line just pretty much make it easier for you to see like where liquidity might return to later in the future. That's all. Well, for me anyway, that's what I do it for. But we can just see what price will just just do. All right, bet. Now we can see these lows got taken out. Okay, so now we can just try to look for more resistance and support to base our trades off of. You did see like a little bit of I'm gonna still draw it out anyway. Still draw it out anyway. It was support, but it was minor support. When you also get more advanced with trading, you got to know and be able to identify what is major support resistance and what is minor support resistance. And most of the time, the major support levels and resistance levels are going to come off your bigger time frames. Right now, I'm on the 15 minutes. So if you see like real big moves, best believe that was like okay. Now this right here is like a fake out, but we're not talking about fake outs right now in this video. But let me just draw this out right quick. See how much price to respect this. Boom, boom, boom. You see, price already had broke out of this. Mm. See these nice trend lines. Also, if you struggle with trying to like identify or just see what price is, just see where you can see like a little bit of flatness and draw a horizontal line. See this? It's a little flat, but you see these highs? These highs will get hit, as you can see already. You know, and that'll just help your eyes. It train just to see like, okay, if you don't want to draw like the levels, like the rectangles that I'm doing with the shapes, just draw lines. That will also help your eyes. Slowly get trained just to see like, okay, I did go up to here, and then it came back down, and then it did come right back up, and then it came back down again. These are all trades. Well, not every single one of these, but if you understand what you look for in the market, then yeah, you can definitely make money out of this. Definitely make money out of this. So, like for example, if I know I'm like, okay, I think I'm end up going for a sale. You know, price sweep down here, came back up. You know, dancing a little bit, and also this is a resistance level. So if I knew price was dancing in between these levels right here, I would probably want to wait for a break or trying to find like a fair value gap or like a optimal trade entry for me to get in on the candle. And right here, we had the break. You had the break of the support level. Like I said, when you have break of structure, support and resistance levels are pretty much small or minor structural levels. When you have a break of those levels, you have to note those and be able to see if there are trading opportunities in them. If you already have a trading bias for that trading pair for the day. So as you can see, if I had a selling or a bearish bias for the day, I would be like, okay, let me wait for a break and retest. A break and retest. Well, not a break retest because I don't trade like that. A break and retracement to the optimal trade entry. So I got the break. Now if I was supposed to draw my fifth from right here to right here, and I wait for a price to get to the 50 or the 618, okay, boom, and I have an entry. And this where trading become starting to become fun because you can like pace yourself, kind of see, you should know what you're looking for. When you know what you're looking for in trading, trading becomes so fun because all you gotta do is just wait for your money to get to you. Just draw the setup out, be confident in it, and just wait. And it did reach our level, so that would have been a nice little trade right there. Oh, that would have been a nice little trade. But it's easier said than done because I've been doing this for 7 years, so you know everything kind of like just it's just a process, man. Because I remember when I did watch the market, I was like, "Yo, what is price doing? Why is it doing this?" But now I can see everything, pretty much everything, so clear and have a good understanding of stuff. So it took a lot of time to get right here, though. A whole lot of time. But let's continue though. And this made me just better, like just identifying liquidity. Like, okay, so prices at this low. I think I already seen like the future. So I know price gonna take out these highs, probably these highs, because I think they already went that far. So yeah, price got out took out these highs. So now let's have another another go look at this. I'm gonna draw the trend line because that's just honestly what I like to do. Cause the trend line kind of tells you when prices start to slow down. Oh, I can't really get a mouse. Ain't gonna let me zoom all the way up, but yeah. So now you see, like I said previously, these trend lines gonna tell you where price will return to at some point in the future. How soon, how fast, I don't know. But at some point, price will return back to these lows and these lows and these lows and these lows, just to get back to what it was really to originally, and take them out and take the trader that was buying right here out, buying right here out, buying right here out, and maybe buying right here out. It normally take a couple days for like the very last floor to get hit or the very first floor to get hit. Normally. But let's just continue to see what price does though. All right, so y'all see this, right? Support. So let's mark that out right now. Let's mark that out right now. Okay, boom. Okay, now you see this level right here. You see this wick right here being respected. You see this right here being respected. All right, I'm gonna mark that out too. Let's see how much price continue to be around those levels. So we're pretty much focusing right here, and this pretty much right here is a range so the range from right here to right here, and these two is resistance and support levels. Resistance sell, buy bottoms, and let's just see what price continue to do. So it could continue to break down, or it could just sprout up and continue to do little dances, and it might break this high. So let's see. All right, so it did break above. That's like a little fake out. Let's see what it continue to do. Still, also got I started like at this area because it respecting the levels perfectly, and you can draw another trend line too. You can draw a trend line from right here to right here. That could give you like another confirmation, honestly. But let's say, all right, I did have one. Well, I wouldn't even get into the trade because I just want. But let's just see how this price continues to respect these levels, and price does break down, right? Break down to these levels right here to take out the buyers. But you see the resistance and support levels being respected. Okay, boom. Price broke out. Now when price break out, you got choices to make. What kind of trader are you? Let me draw this trend line all the way out because price did respect it. And that's why I love trend lines. If you know what you're doing and how to reprice, oh man, trend lines are your best friend, I promise you. But a break and retest trader is a trader that will wait for price to break out of their area, resist our support area, and allow a retest. If that's your type of trading style, this would have been your trigger to get in right here, and this would have been your very next candle where you've already been in profit. See, this already got taken out. Already got taken out. But let's continue. Cause price can't just go straight up. So let's continue. Okay. Now you got another retest, and we can already see price starting to go up. Let's see what it do. Let's see. You can draw a little trend line right there if you wanted to. Let's see. And you see it still, even though it broke out of these the two levels I had drawn out, you can still see price going in of it, going to the top, going back down. You can still see it. Let me zoom out a little bit. It's getting interesting. Okay. Look, went back, came all the way back down, went all the way to the top, come all the way back down. Look what happened. Look what happened. This look got taken out. Come on now. I'm telling y'all, like if y'all, woo, oh man, this is crazy. I want to did it end up taking that low? Okay, it ain't taking that last low. Like I said, it's hard for that last low to normally get taken out. But still, though, y'all seen that though? That is crazy. Right here, there's a farther that it went farther. But yeah, support resistance is just like going up, going down, going up, going down. The bigger the fall, you should pay attention to that. The bigger the rise, you should pay attention to that. Look for retracement. Look for optimal trade entry or retest, and just go off there. Just go off that. But I'm on a 15-minute little marker, so I'm gonna stop right here. Thank y'all.